Robots do everything from build cars to mow lawns, but how about a robot to give an elderly person companionship? A facility in Utah is showing off just such a robot. Fox 13's Max Roth joins us with a live story, or should I say Max Headroom? Go, Max.
That was good, Dan. I'm the robot. Look at me. I am in control of this robot. Look, I'm going to move my head up and down. In fact, this is a special reporter robot. You can see I have the official reporter tie. So this is actually the InTouch health robot, and we're in Murray at the Silverado Senior Living Community at Aspen Park. And this robot is actually here full-time, and they can use this remote from any location about in the country that has a special computer hookup. For example, if I were a doctor sitting in California, I could use just a little joystick on a computer to push this robot forward. And you can see right there that I'm moving towards the camera. And look in this corner of the screen. That's what I'm seeing in my screen. And that's Brandon, our photographer. So if I were a doctor, I could look him up and down, check him out, say, Brandon, that work problem seems to be healing very nicely. And there are all sorts of things that we could do with this kind of technology, including visiting someone simply from a long distance. And so they're testing this out in Salt Lake City. This is the first time it's ever been on a local television program. And they say that even though you might think a robot may make all this kind of impersonal, they don't think they're going to lose the personal touch.
I think we all think about that, and that is, are we going to lose that personal touch? And I don't think so. Obviously, the companion doesn't articulate, it doesn't have arms, so it can't actually reach out and touch someone like a human being can.
And now you're actually, Dan, seeing me where I was when I was controlling the robot. This is the computer screen, and if you look on this screen in front of me, that's what the robot is seeing. I've got this little joystick that's right next to the computer, and I can use that to move the head up and down with this little control. I can move the joystick around to turn it, and so it's really quite an incredible product that they're going to be testing out here in Salt Lake. They've had it about a month, and say they've been doing some incredible things with it.
I'm having a hard time distinguishing reality here, Max. I guess I want to ask a question for the Max who has no tie.
Yes.
Max, will individual families be able to use this robot, or just in medical care facilities?
The price is a little prohibitive at this point. It's about $3,000 a month to have a system in a facility like this. A little bit much for a family, but they say they're perfecting it. They're going to try and bring that down, and they think that that's in the future.
Max, that was the warmest response I've gotten from you in a long time.
From a robot.
A robot, Max. Thanks a lot.
We'll see you later, Dan.
Well, a Russian mobster accused of